hot point washing machine. Hot point washing machine. Nice hot point. $3.99. This one in the seat. In the seat is $3.19. This is Bosch. This is $7.99. Bosch Series 6. This one is also Series 6. $6.89. This one is Bosch Series 4. $5.99. This is LG. This is Hesh Wash. Tumble dryer. tumble dryer. This is Grodin. Bosch tumble dryer. Logic. Hotpoint. Let's see, this Hotpoint is 509. This one is 479. Tumble dryer, Beko. This one, Grodin 549. This one is Bosch 729. This is Beko 399. $799. LG ThinQ 799. Miele washing machine. This one is 1,049 quid. Energy rating A. Miele tumble dryer, 2 years guarantee. See what it looks like. Beautiful. Miele. I think I like this one. This one, top features: smart control, monitor smart appliance with your smartphone or tablet, sensor guided drying. Sensor select the best dry cycle based on what in the drawer. Clever stuff. Garment care. This feature keep your clothes look like new for much longer. This one, the price is what I'm looking, 1,049 quid. It's a lot of money. Let me know what you think. This is Miele tumble dryer. This is LG washer dryer 929. This one is washer and dryer. Hotpoint washer dryer 499. This is Bosch Series 6 washer dryer 828. LG ThinQ washer dryer 799. This is Bosch Serial 6 washer dryer 8288. This is Samsung washer dryer 679. Samsung. This one is Hotpoint washer dryer 599. Hotpoint. This one is Hesh wash and dryer 599. This is Candy Rapid 549 washer dryer Candy. So you select the temperature here. This is nice kind of features. You select the function from. Beautiful. This one is Hesh wash and dryer 300 lit 499. LG ThinQ 8/6K 579 washer dryer. LG ThinQ washer dryer 549. Beautiful. Nice. This is Beko 479. Beko 449 washer dryer. This is Candy Smart 399. This is Indesit washer dryer 389. See what this one looks like. This is beautiful. This is Corey's washer dryer. Hey guys, this is Bosch washing machine. Bosch Series 8 1149. LG ThinQ 869. This one LG 10.5 kg 499. This is Samsung 699. LG direct drive 639. This is Samsung 929. This is Samsung washing machine 529. This is Samsung washing machine 749. Samsung 649. This black color Echo Bubble digital inverter smart 10. This one is Samsung as well 549. This is Beko 499. Edge wash 329. Grodin 519. LG direct drive 10.5 kg 659. This is Hot Point 399. And this is Edge wash 499. Edge wash 500. Hair 499. This is washing machine. This is Hisense 429. Grodin 399 washing machine. This is Beko 369. Nice. This is Candy Smart 299. Candy Smart. This is Bosch Serial 4. $599. Bosch Serial 6 629. It's beautiful. This one is Bosch Serial 6 799. This is washing machine. Quiet performance. This quiet washing machine is perfect for sleeping babies, adults alike. Automatic closing. This help give you right amount of detergent every time, no waste. Eco cycle. This cycle run longer but use less energy, helping you to keep bill low, and the energy rating is A. This is Bosch Series 6. Beautiful. All of Bosch washing machine have active water plus, unlock and reload, speed perfect, eco silence drive, iDocs automatic dosing. Automatic mean the precise amount of detergent and water needed every time. This one is Beko 4349 Beko washing machine. This is Miele W1 twin doors and 9 kg. This one is 1249. So this one is Miele twin doors. This is beautiful. Nice washing machine. Quiet performance. Steam. Using steam in the washing cycle will help reduce crease and allergy. Automatic dosing. This help give you right amount of detergent every time, no waste. So this is just the price is 1249. Let me know what you think. We also got another. This one is another Miele T1 1049. This another Miele turbo dryer, but this one is washing machine. Okay, beautiful. This is LG 769 LG inverter direct drive. Thank you. This is Bosch Series 4 549 washing machine. Samsung 479. Grodin. This is Samsung 529 Indesit 299. This is Beko 329 Grodin 479. This is Wall Laundry looking to upgrade. This one is LG washing machine. Okay guys, these are washing machine that got here. Corys. Thank you guys. This is Bosch washing machine. Bosch Series 8 1149 LG. Thank you. 869. This one LG 10.5 kg 499. This is Samsung. $699. LG Direct Drive, $639. This is Samsung, $929. $929. This is Samsung washing machine, $529. This is Samsung washing machine, $749. Samsung, $649. This black color Echo Bubble digital inverter, smart 10. This one is Samsung as well, $549. This is Beko, $499. Edge wash, $329. Grodin, $519. LG Direct Drive, 10.5 kg, $659. This is Hotpoint, $399. And this is Edge wash, $499. Edge wash, 500. Hair, $499. This is washing machine, this is Hisense, $429. Grodin, $399. Washing machine, this is Beko, $369. Nice. This is Candy Smart, $299. Candy Smart. This is Bosch Serial 4, $599. Bosch Serial 6, $629. It's beautiful. This one is Bosch Serial 6, $799. This is washing machine, quiet performance. This quiet washing machine is perfect for sleeping babies, adult alike. Automatic closing. This help give you right amount of detergent every time, no waste. Eco cycle. This cycle run longer but use less energy, helping you to keep bill low and the energy ratings A. This is Bosch Series 6. Beautiful. All of Bosch washing machine have active water plus, unlock and reload, speed perfect, eco silence drive, iDocs automatic dosing. Automatic mean the precise amount of detergent and water needed every time. This one is Beko 4349 Beko washing machine. This is Miele W1 twin DOS and 9 kg. This one is 1249. So this one is Miele twin DOS. This is beautiful. Nice washing machine, quiet performance, steam. Using steam in the washing cycle will help reduce crease and allergy. Automatic dosing. This help give you right amount of detergent every time, no waste. So this is just the price is 1,249. Let me know what you think. We also got this one is another Miele T1 1049. This another Miele turbo dryer, but this one is washing machine. Okay, beautiful. This is LG 769 LG inverter direct drive. Thank you. This is Bosch Series 4 549 washing machine. Samsung 479. Gordon. This is Samsung 529 Indesit 299. This is Beko 329 Grodin 479. This is Wal Laundry looking to upgrade. This one is LG washing machine. Okay guys, these are washing machine that got here at Corys. Thank you.